Welcome back to another tech tip by Appliance Video. Today we're going to take a look at why do new stoves have a plastic burning smell when you turn them on. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of videos on the latest technology. For a limited time, you could save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. You purchased a new oven and are excited to start cooking. Except there's a small problem. When you turn it on, you are wafted with an overwhelming smell of burning plastic, and notice a bit of smoke emitting from it as well. Your first thought might be that some packaging material was left behind inside of it. However, you may be surprised to know that this odour is more common than you might think. So, what's the deal? The odour could be caused by a number of factors. While packing materials is a less common occurrence, it is still wise to double check, just in case. One of the most common reasons is equally as simple. During the manufacturing process, some ovens have an oil coating applied to them. The fix for this is simple. Before cooking in your oven for the first time, it is recommended that you turn the oven on to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and let it run for 30 to 45 minutes. This will allow the oils to burn off. The stove, however, will typically take 1 to 3 times before it's fully broken in. You may see a bit of smoke while burning off this oil. If you have an exhaust fan above the unit, turn it on. It is also recommended to open some kitchen windows during this process. Another cause of odd odours in a new oven can sometimes be from the combustion of gas in the burner. This tends to have a smell of natural gas or propane. This will typically go away within a few minutes while the oven heats up. If you continue to smell natural gas or propane, it is highly recommended to call your gas company or a licensed specialised plumber to check your gas line up to the range for any gas leaks. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.